Adverbs, comparison. John runs fast. Here John has not been compared to any other runner. Peter runs faster than John. Compares two runners and says that one of them, Peter, runs faster than the other, John. Jeff can run fastest of all. Compares more than two runners, all the runners, and says that one of them, Jeff, is the fastest. The comparative degree of an adverb is usually formed by adding er to the positive form. The superlative degree of an adverb is usually formed by adding est to the positive form. But some adverbs, we cannot form the comparative and superlative degrees by adding er and est to the positive. We have to use different words as the comparative forms, such as positive, comparative, superlative, badly, worse, worst, well, better, best, much, more, most, less, lesser, least. The comparative and superlative degrees of many adverbs are formed by using more and most before the positive, such as Amr read the letter carefully. Salim sang well.